Hey everybody, it's Reviews and More, back with a quick household item review, really office review. This is Vitrazza. They are a company that makes tempered glass floor mats for very smooth gliding on your nice office chair. So this is kind of a luxury item. The price of this one was 48 by 42. It's a large glass mat. You see the box right there. Basically, this will be an unboxing video, and as just a reminder, if you see that subscribe button and it's red, if you could just click that for me to subscribe, you don't have to turn the bell on or anything. It just helps the channel out to have more subscribers, and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. So just running through the unboxing real fast, as you can imagine, it's a big hunk of glass, so the box looks kind of like this. This one was 42 by 48, and it was $360 shipped with the taxes included. And there you see the little warranty information, and then you see the little nubs for various surfaces, as well as the explanation to what those little bumpers go on to, what side, and everything else. That's a little bumper scraper for when you have to remove them, because they are very, 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 very sticky. Yeah, so please be careful, don't throw this bag away, because it also shows you how to place the little bumpers on there and everything else, so you can be kind of squared away. So even if you put this thing on carpet, you're still going to want to put those little rubberized bumpers on there, because it helps keep it in place, as well as keeps it kind of level even on certain carpet surfaces, so it doesn't like dig down and make like a divot in the carpet that makes it uneven with the rest of the surface. So just follow that instruction. The bottom one's for like shag, top one's for like hardwood, middle one's for like standard residential kind of carpet. So that's kind of the guide, little quick and dirty guide there. So make sure when you open this thing up that you don't use anything too sharp, too close to the box. Make sure you focus mostly on the tape, and you should be good to go from there. Once you get this opened up, you got to pop off all the little extra pieces. These are very large pieces of cardboard, but I'm recycling them, hooray. But the whole reason why I got this was basically because I needed something that was a little bit larger, and when you start even getting into the larger plastic mats, they start getting really kind of stupidly expensive, and I figured, I'll get something really nice for myself. That way I can at least like spend the money, deduct it, all the other fun stuff that you got to do. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure you flip it over, because it comes with the special surface side up. There's a special surface that Vitrazza makes that basically makes it so it won't scratch and stuff. You want to make sure it's flipped over. There's a little static sticker that kind of indicates which side's up. If you can read it, that means that's the side that should not have the little sticky bumper things put on them. So once you get those put on there in the proper order, as you kind of saw me do, you can take it and move it around, and move it to where it needs to go, and it should be good to go from there. There's not a whole lot else to say about the review. I'll do a follow-up in about probably 6 months or sooner if something catastrophically bad happens. But so far, it's very, very easy. It's tempered glass. It's rated up to 1,000 pounds. It's stupidly durable, so it should be perfectly fine with my 230-pound butt on it. But there's the placement. There's my dirty, ugly carpet. Can't stand it, but whatever. The main thing I wanted to focus on here is, if you don't like the way the bumpers look, you're kind of stuck with them. You can't really get around them. They don't bother me at all, and I don't think they bother most people. But I will say that even with the small bumpers, the offset on hardwood floor, if you are kind of clumsy with your chair and you roll a lot, you'll roll off this thing sometimes, and it will go thud, and it won't break the glass. It's not going to damage anything, maybe your floor, but it's not going to damage the glass. And there's a little static sticker that indicates which side is up on the glass itself. And here you get to see my happy fat butt sitting in my nice comfy chair, and then I'll get to roll around. I purposely pop off the mat a few times to kind of see, all right, how's it feel? Can you roll back up on it really easily? Because that's kind of an important thing, because I do occasionally wiggle my chair around and go off the edge, and then if it's hard to get back up and I got to sit there and wobble around, that might be a slight problem. But there you saw the wheel was popped off, and it popped right back on again. Note, they're not standard caster wheels. These are little rollerblade style wheels, so your results may vary. But it's very, very smooth, very, very pleasant. The glass so far, my other concern, I was a little worried that maybe I jam my toe on it, but the glass kind of sits into the carpet just right, so I don't feel like I'm going to do that clumsily. Like, I don't think I'm going to stub my toe on the glass mat, basically, is what I'm saying. But yeah, there you go. That's the review, guys. Not much else to it. Just a matter of getting it, installing it, and being willing to pay the price for it. It's definitely one of the most expensive, if not the most expensive brand of tempered glass floor mats. But for me, it's worth it, because it's just very nice, looks nice. It doesn't seem like it's going to scratch very easily. I'll do a follow-up on that later on. If I start seeing scratches show up, I'll put it in like a pinned comment. But really, that's all there is to it, guys. You're going to see me playing around the chair a little bit for a second. But other than that, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And if you like it, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and have a good one.